Jewelry Repair New York. We offer a lot of types of jewelry repair in New York City. From platinum and palladium jewelry repair to 10K, 14K, 18K, some 22K gold jewelry repair and even P4 that is new metal in jewelry industry. There isn't a type of jewelry that we are unable to repair. We offer full line of jewelry repair which include regular soldering and laser soldering of chains, rings, necklaces, earrings, bracelets etc. to be sure that we are able to make all of the necessary repairs that may come up. When it comes to stone settings, it's important for a stone to stay in the setting. Our services include retipping prongs to ensure the stone is properly set and won't go anywhere, no matter how hard you work or play. We offer necklace repair of virtually any kind of necklace that you may have. Whether it is pearl restringing, bead restringing or fixing a knotted chain with a chain repair, you can depend on us to get the necklace back to its original condition. Earring repair, ring repair and even anklet repair, you name it and we can repair it. Our services are significant and you won't find another repair shop in NYC that does as thorough of a job as we do. We have the experience that others don't, which is why we can offer the sheer number of services that we do. For more information, please visit our website www.jewelryrepairnewyork.com or contact us through phone 646-931-0033. You can visit our office, 55 West 47th Street, room 1020E, New York, New York 10036. Jewelry Repair New York.